Hello everybody, tonight we make a nice dinner for me and my wife, and we want to make spaghetti with the shrimp and with the fresh tomato sauce. And I got everything over here on my board over here. I was making this so nice. And we got the spaghetti, we got a shrimp, I got a little wine, white wine, I got a garlic, I got the parsley, this is from my garden parsley, I got a flake of hot pepper, I got to use little butter, and this is the tomato. I take the skin out, and I take the seed out, everything, it's already almost cooked, the tomato. Now, for start, I want to start right away with the pasta. Got the pasta, it takes like 10 minutes. And let's start with the pasta. The water boil. And we put the pasta. Okay, got them over here. And we give them little turn the go the pasta, because you leave it outside the pasta. What you do, you burn like this. You put it right away inside the water, but make sure they use a lot of water when you cook the pasta. Okay, now this is over here done. Now what I do, I put the pots over here, I put the gas on, and I put oil on this. Okay, let's warm up a little bit the oil. I gotta put more. And let's say salute cincina everybody. And thank you very much for your support. And thank you so much for the stuff. Salute, drink with me tonight. Let's go. Salute cincina. Okay, let's put a little bit more oil. Okay, it's good. This one, it's oil. I gotta do the shrimp over here, and this is for the sauce. Now, I gotta have the garlic. Yeah, I got the garlic right over here, and I want to use the garlic a little bit over here and over here. Okay, now at the same time, let's take let's turn the pasta. We raise the gas over here. Put on over here for the shrimp. And let's raise the gas over here too. And now I bring my sauce, the shrimp. And I got over here the butter, and the wine, and the flake, hot pepper. Okay, now we gotta wait. Okay. Make sure the shrimp do not cook too much the shrimp when you do. Okay. Now the garlic is almost ready for the tomato sauce. Okay, and this is the tomato. Now we lower the flame. Okay, now the garlic over here, it's ready too. And let's do the shrimp. Maybe it's a little wet. I'll take a little water out, the garlic was washed. And we put the shrimp right over here. Like I said, do not cook too long the shrimp. After the shrimp, I gotta put it on the sauce. Okay, now look at the tomato, so beautiful. Now on the tomato, I want to put a little salt, little black pepper, and sauce, and shrimp. I got the butter. I want to saute with a little butter too. Tirata tutto mondo. Okay, on the sauce, I got the parsley, and I want to put a little parsley to make a beautiful color over here. Okay, now little black pepper. Little salt. I got some of the flake of hot pepper. I want to put over here with the shrimp. Salute cin cin everybody, and thank you so much for the start. Salute, cin cin. Okay, the tomato boil really good. The pasta. Okay, now the shrimp. I'll put a little white wine.
This is jumbo shrimp?
Yes, it's a big shrimp. We evaporated the wine, everything. Look at the tomato, like I say, it's already nice. Okay, now the shrimp. All right, turn the gas off, get the shrimp. Now, we leave it cook it together with the tomato.
This is like a very quick dinner.
No. Okay, now the shrimp you gotta boil a little bit.
No, this is fresh tomatoes.
Yes, the fresh tomato, what you do, you pick it up, you put it in a bowl, you boil the water, and you dump on top of the tomato. You leave it stay like maybe 3 minutes. After you drain the water, you leave it cool off, it gets out. And you take the skin out, and see you want, I take it out of the seeds. But see you don't want to take it out of the seeds, it's okay, you can leave. Batte carao. Okay, look. Okay, we lower the gas a little bit. And when you lower the gas, you gotta put a little gas over here. Okay, you know, the more you gotta run, and you need the gas. Salute cincina everybody, and thank you so much for the stuff. Thank you. Salute. Okay, let's see the pasta.
Sushi's making calamari and pasta.
The pasta is almost ready. Let me take a couple of things over here. Oh. We load the gas on this. Okay, already, it's everything almost done. Okay, now the pasta got a little boiled a little bit with this. Turn off the gas. Tu sola, più belle nere.
Maybe you overcook them, so why they shrink?
The what?
Shrimp.
The shrimp you not gotta cook it, they have to come too tough.
And they shrink too.
Oh solo mia. Salute Cincin, this is a beautiful dish. Everybody make this and let me know. Salute Cincin, thank you so much for the stuff. Salute. Okay, let me finish, maybe I got a little bit more pasta over here. Well, okay, now we give a nice.
Yeah, it need to be al dente.
Oh yes.
No, it's not pound of pasta.
No, it's this. It's 8-ounce pasta. 8. Okay, look how beautiful look. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we turn the gas off. It's too hot. And now I gotta bring rye over here. I put rye on this board. Good. I got a nice dish. How was my phone going? Oh, it's over here. It's this one, my dish. Okay. Okay, now I need a little shrimp. You see, the shrimp, you know, short, you know, it stay nice. Now, little parsley. And now, taste. so good. You see the shrimp, it's a nice crunchy. It's when you gotta be like this. Thank you very much again for your support and the look when I'm cook. I hope everybody do the same like I do. Maybe like you do your way. I did it my way, but at least I showed everybody the way I do. Salute chin chin. Thank you very much for your support and thank you so much for the stuff. Salute chin chin and we see next time. Thank you very much. A salute.